Court Uncut. What the people want.
This is 2-4-2504, the people versus Otis Purdue.
Also have on behalf of probation.
Morning, Your Honor. Jeffrey Fant on behalf of Mr. Purdue. Today's time and date set for sentencing. We've had a chance to review the pre-sentence report. Same appears to be factually accurate. Obviously, I'd like to address the recommendation.
All right, go ahead.
Judge, keep in mind that this is a 2022 offense. He did attend and complete treatment court in circuit court in 23. And I would ask the court to consider allowing him to be placed on probation. Again, this is a 3-year-old offense. Prove that he's worthy of the probationary period. He's willing to. I think the issue in the interview, he understood about going to treatment, meaning inpatient. I don't think Mr. Purdue would qualify for inpatient at this point, but he would certainly have no objection to probation with even if it was like under ISP.
Are any of these, I have never, this is the law. Your first criminal offense was the year I graduated high school. And then you had one, and you probably did some time on that one. And as soon as you got out, you picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 4 in 99, 4 in 2000, 2001, 2002, 2005, 7, 8, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 20. I mean, I've never seen a criminal history take up the whole front page of a PSI. I've never seen that before.
They were all retail fraud, and I was going through a rough patch of life. I was substance abuse.
So let me ask this, Ms. Hat, but the problem is you didn't go to any of the AA meetings. So like when you're on bond, listen, when you're on bond conditions, right, pending sentencing, one of the things I look at when I'm determining about whether or not you're a good candidate for probation is if you comply with bond conditions. And he hasn't gone to any meetings?
I wasn't told nothing about no.
Yo, yeah, you were. We'll find the record. I guarantee I said it.
All I was told was put on a teller. The alcohol.
I promise you. I promise you. I can pull up the record because I have a little sheet here where I check off all the boxes when I arraign someone, and that would have been a requirement. But listen, Ms. Hapner, he finished treatment court in 2020. Was that for this 2023 offense?
I finished in 23.
It was a 2020 offense, Judge.
So he picked up another controlled substance case in 2023.
He did.
After he finished treatment court.
Yes.
Correct. That's why I deem he's not appropriate, because he's even incurred new charges since this offense. He keeps incurring charges. So that's
And then
why.
I mean, we're not talking about a jaywalking.
Yeah, the cases are all.
Hold on.
And just so the court's aware, that 2023 case is another case that was late in being charged and is now pending.
But it happened after he finished treatment court.
Yes, but there's no conviction associated with it, Judge. He's, I think he just got bound over in September.
Both of the cases they let me kind of had no idea of the case. Both incidents occurred. They wrote me tickets and cut me loose. I didn't go see no judge or nothing. So
they're allowed to do that now. That doesn't mean it's not a criminal offense.
He's talking about this one, which was May of 22, and the one that's pending now was in November of 23. They did not.
They did not.
They were in that pile that
gave me a court date.
He's got another one he just picked up in Redford in 2025. I see another one that's not even. I mean, Ms. Hapner probably didn't put it on here because there wasn't any room. But he's got another warrant pending out of Redford in August of 2025. So just like 2 months ago.
Yes, that's how I became aware of these offenses. It was a driver and I was driving.
That's not what this says. This says it was a public order crime.
No, it was,
Misdemeanor.
It was tickets. I was driving on Telegraph. I got pulled over, and that's when the OWI and the other both tickets popped up. I was driving, bringing my baby mom.
Ms. Hamner, anything else?
No, Judge, I mean, I full term to my recommendation. I do not view him as a good candidate for probation due to, just non-compliance. I mean, he keeps incurring criminal charges.
Yeah, I mean, he's picked up new cases since he's been on bond here. And he's completed a treatment court program and he continues to pick up new cases. So I don't think he's probation eligible. He's got all these cases. And a controlled substance, a disorderly person, and some other public offense out of record. Those have occurred since he completed treatment court, and 2 of them are since he's been on bond here. I mean, I don't know what to say. Anything else?
I haven't caught anything on bond.
Since you've been on bond?
I haven't caught any case on bond.
Yeah, what time? You were arraigned in 2024, the first time. And in December of 2024, according to your history, you picked up a case since then.
Each bond that I have given personals, and the only thing I have received is traffic violations. I haven't caught in any cases, Your Honor. Everything that is on me now is, 2 to 3 year old cases. But since those cases, I haven't came in contact with the police only due to driving.
Anything else, Mr. Fanto?
If the court's inclined to place Mr. Purdue in custody, I'd ask for something less. He has 67 days. I'd ask for something less. Again, this is a 2022 matter.
So you have state costs of 50, a crime victim's rights fee of 75. The warrant fee and the clearance fee are being waived, statute fee. So that brings you have 125 that you owe, and those 2 are mandated by the state of Michigan. You have 70 days in jail, credit 26.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.